हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। ये चैप्टर ट्रायंगल्स, ऑन दिस चैप्टर इट इज़ टुडे लेक्चर 4। 3 lectures over on this chapter triangles. Exercise 6.1 done and 2 theorems done, Thales theorem and converse of Thales theorem, and exercise 6.2 question 1 to 4 done. Today 6.2 exercise NCERT book question 5 to 8 we have to do. Now question 5 is in figure PQR triangle, what given? DE parallel OQ, DE parallel OQ, DF parallel OR, DF parallel OR, these given in this triangle, everything here in figure. So prove that, show that EF parallel to QR. This we have to prove. Now proof, in this proof what we have to do, proof use the given thing. What is given? First given DE, in which triangle this? In triangle you see DE parallel OQ. Okay, DE parallel OQ and DF parallel OR, these given. So now in triangle P, in triangle it means you have to take the triangle one this POQ. In triangle POQ, see in the figure, in triangle POQ, one line DE, comma DE parallel to one side OQ, parallel to OQ. OQ is one side of this triangle POQ. This given. Okay, this given. So by Thales theorem, we know Thales theorem, if a line is parallel to the one side in a triangle, then it divides the other two sides into same ratio. So by Thales theorem, what we will get? Okay, this ED divides the two sides PQ and PO in same ratio, means PE upon QE is equal PD upon OD. Okay beta, clear this? PD upon OD, these two ratios equal. So this is equation 1. Similarly what we can take in triangle other DF parallel OR, given DF parallel OR. So in triangle POR, what given? DF parallel to OR, DF parallel to OR given. Okay, so this implies by Thales theorem, same Okay, using Thales theorem in this triangle also. By Thales theorem, it divides into other two side same ratio. So means DF parallel OR means DF is divided to the two side PO and PR in same ratio, means PD upon OD is equal to PF upon RF. Clear? This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, one side PD upon OD ratio of PD upon OD, तो means PD upon OD equal है, means PE upon QE equal to PF upon RF from equation and 2. From equation 1 and 2, okay beta, what we get? We get PE upon QE equal to PF upon RF. Clear? Because one ratio same in equation 1 and equation 2, PD upon OD same. So it means these both will be equal. So this is number 3. So we can say by Thales theorem. So in triangle PQR, so in triangle PQR, these two ratios are equal in equation 3 by the line EF. In this triangle, line EF divides two sides. Line EF divides two sides in same ratio in equation 3. So by using converse of Thales theorem, so by using converse of Thales theorem, so by using converse of Thales theorem, we get EF parallel to QR. Done? Hence proved. यही हमें प्रूव करना था, EF parallel QR. Done by Thales theorem in this triangle PQR, and result which we have proved in equation 3, that result is equal ratio in the two sides of triangle this. So by Thales theorem we can write. Now next question number 6. Okay. Now NCERT book, next question, question number 6 from NCERT book. What is question 6? Question 6 is figure given, this also. Okay, this also figure given in question 6. Yes. Now in this question number 6, this figure is given, triangle PQR given, and others in the figure ABC are the point on OP. Okay beta, on OP, OQ, OP, OQ, full outside also, OQ and OR respectively. Okay, such that AB parallel PQ, AB parallel AB, this AB parallel to PQ, PQ, AB parallel to PQ, see in figure, and AC parallel PR, AC parallel to PR, this, so that this is given in figure, triangles given, other thing, and to prove or so that what we have to prove, 6th question, BC parallel QR, BC parallel QR, this BC parallel QR we have to prove. Okay, now first point given, in which triangle we have to see AB parallel PQ, this first point, in which triangle, कौन सी ट्रायंगल में है ये, AB parallel PQR in which triangle, OPQ, see in the figure, triangle OPQ, in triangle OPQ AB parallel PQ. ठीक है, तो आप इन triangle OPQ AB parallel comma AB parallel PQ means a line AB is parallel to one side PQ, divide the other two sides in same ratio by the Thales theorem. This is given. Okay, so by Thales theorem, we get two sides divided by this AB into same ratio, means OA upon AP, OA upon PA, OA upon PA is equal to OB upon QB. Equation 1 by Thales theorem. ठीक है, similarly in triangle other, this one AC parallel PR, AC parallel PR. So in which triangle this AC parallel to one side PR? OP OPR, triangle OPR. तो in triangle OPR, but AC parallel PR given. AC parallel PR given. So by same Thales theorem, but we get other two sides divided into same ratio, means OA upon PA, OA upon PA, OA upon PA is equal to OC upon RC. Okay, by Thales theorem. Same. Now from equation 1 and 2, one ratio same OA upon PA, OA upon PA. It means OB upon QB will be equal to OC upon RC. So from equation 1 and 2, what we get? This ratio same, so it means OB upon QB will be equal to OC upon RC. Equation number 3. Similar question as question 5 we have told here. Now you see that these two ratios OB upon QB equal OC upon RC. So means BC line divides these two sides in the triangle OQR. In triangle OQR, we got here two sides divided by the BC in same ratio in equation 3. So this line will be parallel to QR, third side, by converse of Thales theorem. So you have to write here what? Same you have to write in triangle, forward, in triangle OQR BC, BC divides two sides, BC divide two sides and same ratio in equation 3 proved above. Okay, in equation 3 proved above. Thus by using converse, of Thales theorem. Converse of Thales theorem, this BC line divides the two sides in same ratio, so this will be parallel to third side QR. Hence proved. Okay. This we have to prove. Okay, then we have done this, hence proved. Now similarly we can do next question, question number 7. Okay, this is the geometry. Now in the geometry you should make the figure, all figure, if given with the question, or you have made in the geometry, you should make the figure with the help of the scale, pencil, and as looking like parallel line to parallel line, means looking like the given things correctly, but not make the original figure, make the rough sketch of the figure, we can say, but neat and clean figure must be there with the help of the pencil, scale, compass. Okay, without measurement. Okay, now next 7. Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. Midpoint, midpoint given. Let triangle is A, B, C, and let D is midpoint. So in the given question number 7, we should write given, what is given in triangle A, B, C, comma, D is midpoint of AB. D is midpoint. D is midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. Okay. 1 point. Prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side. Parallel to BC, DF, comma, DF parallel to BC. BC के पैरेलल है मिड पॉइंट से, इट इज़ गिवन. ओके बेटा, सच दैट AB, ओके, एंगल पैरेलल टू अनदर साइड बाइसेक्ट द थर्ड साइड. तो प्रूव करना है कि बाइसेक्ट द थर्ड साइड. तो प्रूव दैट F is midpoint, F is midpoint of AC. This we have to prove in this question. Recall that you have proved it in class 9th. Okay, but use the theorem 6.1. ठीक है, but because parallel is given, this parallel given, तो prove, what prove? In triangle ABC, ठीक है बेटा, इन ट्रायंगल ABC DE कॉमा DE पैरेलल टू BC given. Okay, so by Thales theorem, if one line is parallel to the other one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in same ratio. So from this Thales theorem we can say AD upon BD will be equal to AF upon CF. Now this D is midpoint of AB given, so means AD equal to BD. So you say as AD is equal to BD, AD is equal to BD given, midpoint given, D is midpoint given, as this given. So AD upon BD be AD is equal to AF upon CF. ओके, यानी AD इक्वल टू BD, तो पुट BD वैल्यू एज AD, तो AD अपॉन AD कैंसिल, देन 1. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज 1 इज इक्वल टू AF अपॉन CF. ओके, देन दिस इम्प्लाइज बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई AF is equal to CF. Hence F is midpoint. F is midpoint of third side AC. Done. Hence proved. This we have to prove. Okay, hence proved. Done. Now next question, last question, 8th question. Similarly, here Thales theorem is using, simple questions are there. Okay, now next question number 8 from the NCERT book. What is question 8? See question number 8. What is using theorem 6.2 converse, here using converse theorem. ठीक है, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides, prove that the line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle, दोनों मिड पॉइंट दे दिया, D मिड पॉइंट, E मिड पॉइंट, लाइन ज्वाइनिंग द मिड पॉइंट, D and E are मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ट्रायंगल A B C. दिस फिगर, तो इन गिवन, what is given? In triangle ABC, D, E are midpoint, are midpoints of sides AB, AC respectively. ठीक है, given what we have to prove, any two sides, ठीक है, joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. तो to prove DE parallel to third side BC, this we have to prove. Okay, simple. It is simple by this converse of Thales theorem. How? D midpoint, proof, given thing, what? as D is midpoint of AB. So this implies AD is equal to BD. Similarly, and E is midpoint of AC. This implies AE is equal to CE. Okay? Clear? Now from these both, what you want to take? Take now, by this Thales theorem, what required? AD upon BD. Now AD upon BD is equal, what AD upon BD equal? A and BD are equal, both equal. So what is the ratio? 1 upon 1. So 1 upon 1. Okay? Now this from 1, equation 1. Okay? Use 1. ठीक है? And similarly, AE upon CE equal to 1 upon 1. Equation number 2 and 3. From 2 and 3, from 2, 3, what we get? AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. Okay? So in triangle ABC, using converse of Thales theorem. ठीक है बेटा? Converse of Thales theorem, using that we get, okay, using that converse of Thales theorem, two ratios are equal, so line will be parallel. By Thales theorem we get DE parallel to BC, hence proved. Clear? Clear this? Thales theorem, converse of Thales, ठीक है, ratio equal, proved here. So it means now you can do similar questions very easy. Okay, take interest, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the videos to the other friends. जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट है सबको भेजो और उनको गाइड करो कि इसको देखें, ठीक है, और अपने जो भी कॉन्टैक्ट हैं सभी को भेज दो, जिससे कि कोई ना कोई उनके यहाँ देखेंगे, थैंक यू, और उनका प्रॉफिट होगा, ठीक है। और उनको कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट ज़रूर लिखें, ये उनको गाइड करो और सब्सक्राइब द चैनल आल्सो। थैंक यू।